Hi, this is Dirk from V&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 75 Firebird Formula 400. You can see they got some aftermarket gauges in it. My fan works. Does not work. Just the whole filler. Left blinker, right blinker, wipers. Horn works. Dome light does not work. So dome light radio is what does. There's your fuel gauge. Got some good sounding exhaust on it. Numbers matching motor, air car. Metal rock intake. Metal rock air cleaner. Got your Pontiac wheels. Pretty nice car, runs, drives good. Radio and dome light do not work. Any questions? 605-695-7391.